Welcome to today's lesson in English. Today we're working with peer response and we're using the method of 2 stars and a wish. I will now try to take you through this lesson step by step. Step 1. Find your group. We're using the same groups as we did last time. Step 2. Now it's time to pick a text to start with. When you have picked the text, read it together. Maybe one of you can read the text aloud to the rest of the group. Step 3 is the major process of this lesson. Now you need to start to figure out what are the stars and the wishes that you have for the text you just read. What do you think is particularly good about this text? What do you think could be improved? Remember to use the list that we made together. I hope you still have your copy in your binder. Now, as a group, approach step 4. Gather your stars and wishes together and present them to the person who wrote the text. Make sure you give some examples about what you mean from the text. Try to point out certain places and words. Step number 5. If you are the one whose text you're looking at, write down all the comments you get so you don't forget what they said. Now, once your group has finished doing all the texts, it's time for you to pick out your iPad. Hopefully, your text is now a little bit better than it was before. Have you improved it? I sure hope so. So now, it's time to rewrite your text in the improved version on your iPad. Use the app Office 2 HD, which you have already downloaded, and rewrite it there. Once you have written it there, it's time, of course, to send the text to your teacher. Of course, I want to give you some examples to show you exactly how this could be done. So here you go, a few examples from me on how you can give your stars and wishes. Example number 1 is a star. Your text is coherent and clear. I understand everything, and it's easy to see that each paragraph is about something new. Example number 2 is also a star. Your language is varied. You use synonyms when describing the same thing and rarely repeat words. Example number 3 is also a star. Your writing is well adapted to the genre. I like how you use fairly simple words when you describe your childhood. Example number 4 is a wish. You could vary your language more. Many sentences start with I. Could you put some of them in another way? So now you know exactly what to do, and I'm looking forward to reading some of your amazing texts. Good luck!